fascinated me down in your gaze. I found the key. I found the key. I found the key.
Yeah, you did a series of workshops,
Yeah,
or you did one or a few?
series.
Nice, nice.
Mhm.
Called coping mechanisms.
Yeah, coping mechanisms.
Why did you name it coping mechanisms? What's the story behind that name?
Huh. A few years ago, um, before Kabbalion anniversary in 2016, Charles and I were resident artists for a space called Artscape in Toronto that owns several artists' properties, and they also just provide space for artists if you get that residency. So as one of the fundraising events we did for Jam, we did a collective workshop, he and I, and this was one of kind of the names of the things we did, and we called it Coping Mechanisms. And the full title is Coping Mechanisms for the Situation Known as Breaking. Because, in life, you go through a lot of different things, and you have to be able to handle the bad shit and the good shit. So, if you have good coping mechanisms, you are ready for the situation to deal with it in your way, right?
Yeah,
And it's no different than when breaking is a situation. You go to a party and a cipher pops off, right? That's a situation that's happening.
does this still happen?
Yeah, I don't know about you, but yeah, like
Yeah,
it pops
yeah.
in Toronto. In
No, I
Toronto,
was
grab your
legitimately asking the
it
question.
pops.
Anyway, so continue.
When the situation presents itself,
Yeah,
like you best be prepared to deal
right,
with
right.
it. And yeah. So I think it was a good. It was a good. It's been a long process to like develop it actually, because it's like a lot of knowledge and information broken into chunks and pieces over the past few years, and kind of put out in a more productive way and a more productive manner, I'll say, format. Yeah, for myself.
Fascinated me